Registering to vote entitles you to vote in the UK elections. That means you can have a say on the issues that affect you. You may think you don't want to vote now, but registering to vote and being on the electoral register means that if any issues comes up in the future that you want to have your say on, you can. Remember, registering to vote does not mean you have to vote. It just means that if you want to, you can. Politicians like councillors, London Assembly members and members of Parliament make decisions that affect your life. By registering to vote, you can make sure your voice is heard on important matters like housing and planning policy, education and schooling, discrimination, employment and jobs creation, climate change. Don't forget, there are other benefits to register to vote too. Credit agencies use the electoral register to check your name and address when you're applying for credit. That means if you're on the electoral register, you might find it easier to get a loan or even a mobile phone contract. Schools, GPs and other local public services might check the electoral register to see if you're in their catchment area. Councils may check the electoral register if you apply for things like a residence parking permit. The electoral register is used to call people up for jury service, and diverse juries are more likely to result in fairer verdicts. But your rights are changing. From now on, if you want to vote in person, you will need photo ID at the polling station. If you don't have the right kind of ID, then you won't be able to vote in person at the next election. And that means losing your voice on really important issues. Passports, driver license and blue badges are all valid forms of ID. If you don't have any accepted photo ID, you can apply for a free voter authority certificate on the UK government website. You can show your voter authority certificate at the polling station to vote in person, but you can't use it to prove your identity anywhere else. If you'd like further details on the rules that are changing, how to register to vote or apply for a voter authority certificate, or would like any information about how we can support you, visit the Traveller Movement's Operation Traveller Vote webpage by clicking the link below the video.